Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to be a seller on AliExpress. So to do that I will need to use my browsing system. So I open my browser and here I need to search sell.aliexpress.com, and here at the top you should see orange button Join AliExpress. And if you don't have your seller account, here you should register to it. But if you have your seller account, in the top right corner you see sign in button right here, but I will register. So you will be asked to choose your country, your registration country. But note that AliExpress allows sellers from specific countries that are here on the list, so make sure that your country is supported. Of course, it's not that big list, but I think AliExpress will change it soon, so I will choose mine. And then I need to enter details about my email address. So here, email address, and then when you're done entering your email address, you should tap send button to receive a verification code to that email address and enter it right here. And then I need to set up an account password. So come up with the idea of your password and enter your password once again in the second field, and of course mark this service agreement and privacy policy and press register button. Wait a little bit. And now we see that I have successfully registered to the seller center of AliExpress. And here you need to scroll down to the very end and submit these service agreements. So my phone doesn't see it, so I need to flip my phone like this. One mark and second mark, and then press next step button. And here you want to enter details about yourself, about your business, about your store, and basically enter all the information regarding your store. And after your information is submitted, AliExpress will review your application for the seller center, and usually it takes a few days. And if everything is approved, you will get an email confirmation, and then you can access your seller dashboard directly from your browser like I do now. And basically then you can start listing products and start selling. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.